Hello friends, welcome to Guess the Remedy. This is a case of a 62-year-old male and he came to me for no control on urge to urine and stool. He would not get the sensation to go to urinate or to pass stools, and instead of that he would get a pain in the perineal body. And he says if this pain increases, that itself would be the indication that I have to go to the washroom. And he says if he doesn't do it right away, then he cannot control it further and it passes off involuntarily. Along with this, he has pain in the front of the thighs as if a belt is there. Upon asking the cause, he says 2 years ago he fell down from a height of 20 feet. And then, on asking many things about this fall, he says it was just a slip. He was doing some work at that kind of a height and he slipped down, and he could remember the whole fall right almost up to the point of hitting the ground. But after that, there is no memory of those moments. On asking further histories, he says he has had many falls and injuries, especially he remembers the one which he had when he bought a new M50, and that was almost 30, 35 years ago. And that was a big one again. He had got a fracture in his leg, etc. But he generally has a tendency to falls and injuries. Uh, on getting this history, I asked about his life space and about his biggest stress, and he says that his biggest stress was when his brother-in-law, to whom he was very closely attached, said to him, "Why don't you just mind your business? Don't poke your nose in my thing." And he says this was the biggest insult I had faced until then, and that was a point where he just couldn't believe that his brother-in-law said this. So those were the things. There's one more important thing in the case, and that is in the dreams. He has repeated dreams of getting stuck in a flood and trying to swim his way out. So, friends, guess the remedy for this case.